Hello everybody and welcome to this video about how to install your Pro Suite Gold on your PC. In the previous video of that video series, I've shown you how to buy your product from coderfortraders.com and how to download the installer and installing the zip file on your PC. Now you should have a zip file of Pro Suite Gold on your desktop. So now, before importing the indicators, we have to set up your license on the NinjaTrader server. So to be able to do that, you will have to go to Help, Third-Party Licensing. From there, under the vendor name, you're going to enter Coder for Traders, like that, all in one word, with a capital C, capital F, and a capital T, and an S at the end, Coder for Traders. And here on the user define ID box, you're going to enter an ID that is unique to you. It could be anything. Usually people are just putting their initials, but it's up to you. So once you have entered your user define ID, you click on submit. And now you're going to see your whole machine ID number with the user define ID at the end appearing in that box here. The only thing that you have to do, you have to copy and paste that whole number into an email that you send to me at support@coderfortraders.com. And you just wait. Once I receive your email, I will be able to set up your license on the NinjaTrader server. And once that's done, usually it is pretty quick, I will send you an email back telling you that you can continue with the importing process now that your license has been set up. Once you have received that response from me, now we have to import your product on your PC. So to import Pro Suite Gold, you're going to click on Tools, Import NinjaScript add-on. And now you're going to see, usually I think it's going to be your download folder or something like that. But the zip file that the installer have put on your PC should be on your desktop. So you just choose your desktop and you should see a zip file there called Pro Suite Gold or something like that. You just click on that zip file. You do not open the zip file. You just click on it and click on Open here at the bottom. And that should import your product on your PC. You should see a message telling you that it has been successfully imported. Now, once that is done, we're going to have to just install a skin on your PC that goes with Pro Suite Gold. So to be able to do that, we're going to go to Tools button here, and we're going to choose Options. And from there, under the General category, you go to the skin here, and you should have slate blue. And this belongs to Pro Suite Gold. It is not there with your original install of NinjaTrader, but it's going to be there because you have imported your product. So you just choose slate blue as skin and you click on OK. Once you do that, you probably will get a message telling you that you have to close NinjaTrader so that the skin can take effect. So you just click on the X button there to click NinjaTrader and you reopen NinjaTrader. Now everything has been done successfully, and you are now ready to use your product on your PC. It has been imported. It is part of your, it is a DLL, it is part of your NinjaTrader. So the next step now is going to be to create a Pro Suite workspace with 4 charts to have a good trading setup and use your product the most efficient way as possible. And this is part of the next video. So thank you very much and good trading.